Let me show you how we can fix the issue with missing LDAC option in Bluetooth settings on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. So if you have connected your Bluetooth device to your Edge 60 Fusion, and in the settings now you don't have the LDAC option even though it should be here, instead you have, for example, AAC. In order to fix this issue, most likely you need to go to the app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. So in my case, I have this app that I installed for my earbuds, and the reason why I don't have LDAC option is due to a certain setting in sound quality options. So in this case, if I go to sound quality settings, over here you can choose the sound quality, and I have connection quality selected. I prioritize connection quality in this case. So in order to fix the LDAC, I need to simply switch to sound quality over here. And now if I go to the settings, as you can see now the HD audio LDAC option is available. So this is how we can fix this issue. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.